Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Chill on YouTube. Public transport is a potential health hazard, and an increasing number of people still need to get to work as lockdown eases. E-bikes have taken the cycling industry by storm. No wonder the e-bike has never been more essential than today. They're gonna get more popular as people try to reduce their carbon footprints and save money. You can even stay in shape on an electric bike. The battery just assists your pedaling rather than replacing it. E-bikes incredibly benefit commuters, mountain bikers, road bikers, and city cruisers. It gets you outside, reduces fossil fuels, reduces congestion, and it's fun. Whether you're tooling around the neighborhood buying wood chips from the hardware store or trying to trim a few miles off the ride, the e-bike has become the best option people are adopting to now. All right, let's dive in. We bet you guys will be shocked to see our number one pick. Number 5. Priority Embark. Cycling with an electric bike for a commuter is everything. Plus, it leaves you less sweaty, so what's not to love? If you intend to use an e-bike as a car replacement, the Embark is a great solution. It's literally a joy to ride. The comfortable saddle, wide handlebar, and upright geometry make for a smooth, nimble ride, no matter if you're navigating city traffic or taking the scenic route through the park. One of the most striking features is the large hydroform down tube that has a nearly hexagonal shape near the head tube and then opens up in the center to house the Wabash Power Pack 400 battery. Another highlight of the frame is the motor mount location that has a substantial connection to the down tube, seat tube, and seat stays. The down tube has a huge surface area connection and the seat tube cross-section for a larger weld area. The rectangular seat stays also have substantial weld areas at the back of the motor mount. Cycling can be a great combination of health and fun. # living my best life. Number 4. Turbo Vado SL 5.0 EQ. The tiny but powerful custom motor and slim battery are integrated into the frame, so it doesn't even look like an e-bike. This is the Turbo Vado SI, with some of the best features in e-bikes, like the extra small frame, weighing in at 33 pounds, only a few more than a regular steel bike. It has a hybrid frame with flat handlebars that make it easy to maneuver on a variety of surfaces, whether you're scooting along at 28 miles per hour or bumping through trees at your local park. Specialized smart control system means you don't have to adjust assistance while you're driving or worry about having enough battery to get home. Plus, a hidden shock in the head tube cushions the blow from any unexpected pothole. Even the accessories are top-notch, like long, flexible custom fenders that slide water down and away from you in the rain. Super cool. Number 3. Yamaha Wabash e-bike. The Wabash is a drop bar bike with a traditional double tree frame with modern amenities like through-axle wheels and disc brakes. The aluminum frame and fork construction make for a solid yet stiff ride. Cable routing is largely internal, and there are external cable clamp bosses to mount a dropper post if you're so inclined. The seat tube is 30.9 millimeters to fit a variety of posts available. There is a bottle cage mount on the seat tube and bosses, mounts for a rear rack in front and rear fenders. SRAM dual piston hydraulic brakes are plenty for this bike, and the magnet for the speed sensor is built into the rear rotor, while the sensor is integrated into the rear of the frame. The 700C rims are mounted with Maxxis Speed Terrain 33mm tires, which are a good choice for the right combination of low rolling resistance and off-road grip. I'm so geeking out right now. I hope you're following along. Number 2. Tern Vectron D8. Folding electric bikes make a lot of sense. They're easy to store in small urban apartments, they integrate well with mass transit, and unlike regular folding bikes, they're really easy to ride uphill. The Vectron folds down into a package small enough to be stored in a large locker, and thanks to a clever design, it rolls on its rear wheel when folded. Given its 49-pound weight, this is extremely helpful. Featuring hydraulic disc brakes, racks, a highly adjustable fit, and a 50-mile range, the Vectron is designed as a city commuter. It's easy to ride, easy to haul, and easy to store. The Vectron quickly speeds up to 20 miles per hour, but it doesn't feel lurchy or jumpy. Tern designed the Vectron from the ground up as an e-bike, allowing it to avoid suffering from the flex or wobble that impacts other designs. Write down in the comments if you have any of these bikes. Number 1. Propeller V3.2. The Propeller V3.2 7-speed is a lightweight, fun, and lively e-bike with a performance ride feel that offers a lot of value. At 38.3 pounds, this one is one of the lighter electric bikes on the market. However, the single-speed version is around 36 pounds. You can feel it in its riding performance, along with how easy it is to pick up and move around. The 3.2 has an impressive spec of quality components from Banggood, Samsung, Shimano, and Kenda. It has a high-performance look that translates into a fun, light, and efficient ride feel for zipping all over town. I call it the BMW of e-bikes. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. We hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. But before you go, subscribe, like, and share the video. Oh, and don't forget, hit that bell icon to check out more interesting videos made just for you.